Hello everybody, let me show you how I made these delicious wedding cookies, also known as Russian tea cookies or polvorones or snowball cookies or butterball cookies. But whatever you call them, they are just simply delicious. Cheers. Tender nutty cookie, just perfectly sweetened. Delicious. In my bowl, I'm going to be adding in 2 sticks of unsalted butter, and this is at room temperature. Remember that your butter must be softened, and half a cup of powdered sugar. And with my mixer, I'm going to mix this until it's well combined. Scraping down the sides of my bowl, I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 1/4 cup of flour. This is just all-purpose flour, a dash of salt, 1 cup of pecans. You can use any different kind of nuts that you would like. You can do a mixture or just pecans or walnuts. The choice is yours. And I'm going to mix it with my wooden spoon. And once I get it here, I'm going to just start making my cookie balls. And just putting it in my hand and rolling it around. You're going to get between 20 to 30 cookies out of this recipe. And I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. And once I got these on my cookie sheet, I'm going to pop these into the oven for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, the wedding cookies are done. And they are nice and brown on the bottom. And they smell so delicious. And I'm just going to dip them into the powdered sugar. Let the cookies cool down for about 5 minutes and then start dipping them into the powdered sugar and set them aside. And that is my recipe for these delicious wedding cookies. These are perfect to make for the holidays to add to your table. Cheers. Enjoy.